testing. Eurofins provides services in 3 areas of key testing, all which goes through the human body. We do food testing, which is everything you eat and drink. We do environmental testing, which is air, soil and water, and we do testing for the pharmaceutical companies for anything which which is related to drugs. As a company, Eurofins has decided to grow very fast. We have grown from a very small beginning in 1987 to a size of now 15,000 employees globally and sales of well above 1 billion euros globally. Our investment in India is very key to us because the Indian market is a market which keeps on growing and which is developing very strongly. We believe as a global company we can contribute a lot to Indian health and to the development of India because we are transferring a lot of technologies which we have developed globally to the Indian market, and we are employing many people here. Today we are very happy to open our Bangalore facility for all our businesses which we are active in, which includes as well our global IT development for our internal and external IT services and software services. With currently over 200 people here in Bangalore, we have already a very strong basis to grow in the future in India, which will include a growth in size, but as well a growth in regions. So we will be as well soon in the future be present in the north of India to cover the whole Indian subcontinent. Any other markets which are developing, the challenges is to bring the understanding of the need to testing to the producers. Because usually testing is being pressed from the middle class, which says, I want to consume safe foods, for example, and we are able to afford safe foods. Whereas the producers, of course, have been used to produce huge amounts of products at, let's say, sometimes varying qualities. And now the market develops, and the middle class usually ask for good products at constant quality at a very affordable price, and we will help the producers to be able to deal with this challenge in the future. What clients are related to our growth, basically. In the past, our facilities have been so small that we couldn't even add an instrument to our facility. Now we are able to add instruments. We have already a lot of capex which is upcoming of the latest technologies, be it for heavy metal analysis, be it for pesticides analysis, and for many other types of analysis here in the Indian market. And then we will, in the future as well, expand regionally more to the north of India, closer to some other growing regions. Audits for CSR. And as a company, we are very responsible towards our employees and, of course, the environment, which is key for us. For example, when we buy companies, we are very, very diligent that there is no environmental damage being done and that the company disposes, for example, any waste which it has in an environmentally responsible way and gets a certification for this.
The Indian market is really growing for Eurofins kind of services. It started off basically with the research markets as far as genomics is concerned, but slowly over the years we've continued to add to our portfolio over here, and that will be our endeavor, that the services that we provide in many markets overseas, we would like to replicate some of those service models in this market, and we feel that there is a substantial opportunity that exists. On which business you are talking about, in terms of genomics, we are definitely within the top 2 players in every single segment that we operate in. As far as food and feed analysis is concerned, we are a relatively new entrant. Many of our competitors have already been here since more than 2 decades. I think we are not at a market share level, but if you look at specific fields of analysis, we have very strong market position.